So I had visited Carax nearly 12 to 14 years back for my Honda Jazz early morning, and from that time I'm connected with Carax, just to tell you. And today afternoon I came basically to check for a footstep for my Alcazar, and I wanted to set a right dash cam to my car, which is very important because nowadays the bikers ride like anything and I'm pretty scared, so I wanted to save myself. And I saw a lot of dash cams, but Pioneer is one which I like because even I had worked in Japan and the quality of this particular device I found it to be very good, and that's how I just ended up with this particular device. The best part of CarX is like the owner did not just push towards pushing up the doorsteps. He instead suggested me that he will give some fix to me, and without any like marketing stuff or sales stuff, he guided me in a right way. So I like this particular shop very much, and after 14 years also I'm coming here is what I can say. Thank you.
Come on.